Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust system sound in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration option. After that go to system sound option and that's it. Now from here you can adjust or customize your system sound. At the top you can see a slider, and by removing this slider you can increase or decrease your system sound volume. You can also change your system sound theme from here. Just tap here and here you can see 4 options and you can choose any option as you like. Now if you go back, you can also enable or disable your touch sound, dialing keypad sound, Samsung keyboard sound, charging sound and screen lock or unlock sound. Now if you go to home screen and then press and hold your volume key, then tap on 3 dots and here you can see system sound option. You can also adjust your system sound from here and it's done. And that is how you can adjust system sound in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.